Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon. In this session, we are going to see whether Devin AI will replace the software engineer job. Yeah, how much it is possible. And in this video, we are going to see what are the different things up from Devin background and what is the current process of the software development life cycle, and he is the complete replacement of the software engineer or not. We have to check all these things in this video, and there are multiple AI tools came in the back before, right? Means there is a Microsoft GitHub Copilot, then Google having Gemini AI, but David they named as a first AI software engineer, and we have to see what are the different pros and cons of Devin in this video. Yeah, we have to check Devin or Devil. Let's start. Yeah, before going to the Devin, we have to understand what is the current scenario or a current position in the software development life cycle, correct? And we have to build any application or a software. Suppose I have to build the bank project, right, or a bank application. So what are the things are coming into the pictures? These are the roles. Means project manager, who having the complete hold on that project. He's managing the project, right? Scrum master means dividing the task to developers. And there is a UI developer, backend developer means who is designing the API, C sharp, Java. With the help of that they are designing the uh, software, right, or doing the coding. And database developer means we have to build the database. On the top of that we have to create the function, store procedure, different tables. So and there is a database administration as well in the background, correct? So these are the multiple roles of the developer, correct? And after that, team lead who is managing the team. And there is a tester means once the code is done, at that time we have to do the testing, right? Means we have to write the some test cases, and there is a manual test cases and automation test cases as well, correct? And after that DevOps is come into the picture. Means we have to deploy that code on the higher environment like the development, then UAT, then production. So past few years we are familiar with the cloud environments, like there is a Azure from Microsoft, GCP from Google, then AWS from Amazon. These are the some cloud service providers, right? Means they are saving the our cost as well as when we require. So as compared to the data center, yeah, means we can use the cloud services as well. And from maintenance point of view, yeah, support team is coming to the picture. Means we have to give the support to the application, right? And then next thing, yeah, I forget to say, there is a PO means product owner who is gathering the requirements of the that particular application. Means how you means suppose client is saying we want these things, we want that thing. So PO is coming to the picture for that requirement gathering and then passing to the developers. Means that person knows the complete functionality or domain understanding. Okay, and there is a documentation after that. Means uh, developer will read that particular document and then based on that he will develop the code. Correct. Now it is a time to talk about Devin. So who is Devin? Devin is the first AI software engineer who is developed by Cognition Labs. Correct. And if you go through this video, then they stated already in that. Means when we have any problem definition, means like I have to build the application or else there is a banking project. Correct. We have to give the instruction to them, right? Means I require this is application, so please build it. Okay, then what it does, actually it create the documentation first, and based on that he will build the code. And once the code is built, so yeah, he's writing the some test cases, he will do the deployments as well. If any problems occur in this the then it will resolve himself. And one more thing they stated, if there is a bug is come into the picture on a UAT environment or a production environment, they will resolve it himself, correct? And the next thing is that as compared to the other AI tools, means he's the powerful one because the Accuracy of the test cases means accuracy of the tests is the 14% is as compared to the others. So that is the good thing of this AI software engineer. Okay, but how much it is capable or when it come into the market, so how he will replace the job? That is the question. We have to see that, right? Okay, let's start with that. First thing I have to tell, yeah, in the last week, very high hype of this Devin tool. Means if you see, you can see the headlines. There is a Meet Devin AI, the world first fully autonomous AI software engineer, or in there are some different websites as well, means news channel, they are giving us the information, means David is the first AI software engineer and he's making the website very easily and he can resolve the bugs itself. Okay, and on this website you will get complete information about the Devin. Okay, and means there are some YouTube videos on that and they stated the capabilities of it, means there is a writing the test cases, fixing the bug, then train the model, and after that repositories. Okay, so you will get complete information about this, and they stated the SWE benchmark as well. And finally, I have to say, yeah, then here they said, please reach out it here if you wanna hire Devin. Okay, means the first AI software engineer. Okay, but now question is that how much he is capable to do all the jobs. Correct. In software development life cycle, we seen multiple things, and based on that, he is doing the his own things. Correct. And how is fit into the software development life cycle means a one software engineer having the multiple responsibilities, right? So how he can able to handle. So only time will say that the thing. And please keep one thing in your mind. Once the time change, technology will change, tool will change. Yeah, obviously we have to go over them and we have to ac- accept it, correct, adapt it. So from adaptability point of view, how much Devin is comfortable with us. So we have to go through that as well. And I have a one advice for a fresher. Don't be scared. Learn the technology and side by side learn the AI tool as well. Okay. And experienced person, yeah, they are having already have a good knowledge, means they seen already different tools in the market. They know what is this technology, what is that technology, how it survive and how I can survive in the market. So they are having the good hands-on, right? Means suppose they are from the .NET background, Java background, yeah, they know and they are learning day by day. So and AI just is the help us in the side by side, it giving us the help, right? And so means suppose we have a one task we are doing in a 3 days, so with the help of AI we can do it in a one day. So that is the help we have to take it from it. Means there are some others tools like Microsoft, means having the GitHub Copilot, or there are some image processing tool, right? And there are multiple websites as well in the market, means they are doing the photo transformation, image translation, right? Means there is a means we have to translate the speech or image processing or a video processing, they can do easily. Means there is a AI image generator tools, you can see photo AI. So such like tools are already present, and yeah, they are, with the help of that we can do the progress. Means if we have to generate the unknown face, we can do that as well, or there are faces as well, we have to replicate the face, we can do that. We have to create any transformation, you can do that as well. Then next thing is that we can go through some parameters, based on that we can adapt him, correct? And first thing, no need to worry or no need to scare about it. And means Yeah, there are some tools which are coming into the market. Yeah, it's a time, it's a revolution. Then there is a, yeah, new tools are coming into the market. We have to adapt them. Yeah, this is the normal process, so no need to worry. And then in the manual intervention, or we can call it as a uh, there is a verification process or a reviewer is required, correct? Once we developed any code, so we required that testing, or we have to check, yeah, that functionality is correct or wrong. Correct means there is a manual intervention is definitely required, means human can do that, correct, because he having a mind, right? That's why. And there is a next thing is that promise versus delivery, means suppose I am creating an application, correct, and I am saying as a, yeah, I am giving a 10, but out of 10, yeah, I am giving only the 7 features or 7.5 or 8 features, and they are having their own bugs, correct? So how much is the promise and what is the delivery? So that is also a matter. And next thing is that bug, means when on production or a UAT, when bug is come, at that time we are giving the, sometime we are giving the temporary solution or giving a patch or a data fix or a permanent solution as well. It is dependent on the time, right? So how much he is capable, that is also a matter. The problem statement, they are giving you the problem statement like this is your task, and based on that task, yeah, you will get some issues, means there is a, you are checking the syntax on Google, Chat GPT or a Devin. Some of the companies are not allowed because we have some access, security, credentials. These are the some things which are come into the pictures, means security point of view, means uh, we can have that particular access, correct, or a chat GPT access or a Devin access. So if we have that access, then we can definitely get the help from him. But we don't have then access, then yeah, we are capable with the help of Google, and we have to find the syntax, but it will definitely give you the better assistant. So means it will help us, right? So it is not the devil, and he's not the enemy of us. We have to just take the help from him for the better accuracy, correct? And I have to say one more thing. Suppose in as a software developer, correct? So we are doing the coding, so we are applying the mind for 70% and we are typing only 30% and not for 8 hours, correct? So you are not hired for the book writing, means suppose, yeah, what is the SQL if I'm going to chat GPT, and there is a, sorry, so here, yes, SQL query basics, yeah. So you will get the information, but for that, suppose I'm want to the uh, max salary from employee table, SQL query, yeah, enter it. So yeah, it will give you the syntax or such like that, but there is a some complexity code. So how to handle that, right? And finally, I have to say, don't compete with AI. Use of it, take the assistant, correct? Miss, as a assistant, you can take the help from it. Okay. And next thing is that stay calm, cool, focus on study, and learn side by side AI tools. So it will definitely help you in your career. And next thing, there is a, in year 2000, correct, there is a computer came into the market, and all are saying, yeah, the job will uh, less and there is a problems about the jobs. But what is happened, manual to the computer jobs, means previously we did with the manual things in a bank, but right now we are using the all the banks are using the applications, banking softwares, correct? ATM. So means they are having some automation, correct? So no need to worry, no need to scare. That is the only one message from my side. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.